everyone, Assalamualaikum student. Today the topic is type of vectors. So the first type of vector is equal vector. So the vector which are having same magnitude, same magnitude, magnitude, same direction, same direction and same unit are called same unit are called equal vector. So now you would say that where is the diagram? So I will be drawing it. Okay, equal vector. Okay, this one is equal vector. Wait, for example, it is moved 3 meter in the direction of east, west, north, south. Okay, so this one vector has been moved towards east of 3 meter. So this one will also move towards east, and the unit will be 3 meter. So here the magnitude, unit and direction all are same. So this one vector is called equal vector. Okay, so now the second vector which we have got here is parallel vector. Parallel vector. In this type of vector, it does not depends upon magnitude and unit. It only needs the direction should be but the direction should be opposite. Okay, should be opposite. Okay, this one is the definition of this parallel vector. So for example, this one is moved 4 Newton, and this one vector is moved towards again towards east side, and the unit will be anything. Okay, let's for example 5 meter. So the unit is changed but the direction is same. Okay, here direction should be same. Okay, by mistake I forgot that I have to write same, and here the theta will be 0. Why here the angle will be 0? The cause is this, that these line will never meet each other. For example, here like this line, if this line would be like this, then it can form an angle, any angle, but this line is now like this, so it is not forming an angle and it is in a parallel condition. So cause of that it will not form any angle, and then here we are having the third type, and the third type is called negative vector. So in this vector is defined as that it is having only same magnitude and same unit, but opposite direction. So the diagram of this vector is like this. For example, okay, for example, if a vector moves toward, means here the direction and magnitude will be same. For example, this one vector moves 3 meter in the east, and this one vector is also moved 3 meter but in the west. So these both are the example of the negative vector. Okay, so now go for the anti-parallel vector. Anti-parallel vector. Okay, so this vector is defined as it is having, it is opposite to the parallel vector. Okay, in simple word. And if you want to define it, then you can define it like this, that it is having only, it is having only same only having the different direction. It also doesn't depend on magnitude and unit. Okay, the thing which is required for anti-parallel is this, that the different direction should be there. Okay, and here the example of anti-parallel vector is this: 3 meter moves towards east side. Okay, and this one vector moves 6 meter towards west side. So the both vector are having different direction. So cause of that, this one vector is called antiparallel vector. Number 5 is collinear vector. Linear vector. Okay, this vector is having means you may say that all the vector which are in a same line, vector lies on a same line, lies on same line, called collinear vector. Okay, for example, this one is the line. Okay, this one is the line, and here we have got a vector like this one is having any magnitude, but any direction, but they should be in the same line. Okay, so these vectors are called collinear vector. In the number 6 type is coplanar vector. Coplanar vector, it does not depend upon magnitude, direction. It the thing, it depends upon that vector lie should lie on the same plane. You will be asking that what is plane. So consider this, that this register is a plane. Okay, and if we are having a vector like this, means on here, then it will be called as coplanar vector. And consider that this pencil is here in, means it is not touching towards the same plane, means this one plane. So this one will not be called as the coplanar vector, but this pen will be called as the coplanar vector. Okay, so for example, this one is plane and this one is the vector. Okay, one vector, two vector, three vectors. So all the vectors are lying on the same plane. Okay, so now the 7th type is unit vector. Unit vector, all the vector having only one magnitude, called unit vector. Direction may be same, may be different, do not depend, but having only one magnitude, called unit vector. Okay, so the 8th one vector is a position vector. Position vector. Okay, the vector which are having which starts from origin. So now I'm giving the example of this vector. For example, this one is the value of x, this one is the value of y, this one is origin, this one is also the value of negative x, positive x, positive y, and negative y. Okay, so this one is the means origin. Okay, so if a vector initial point is origin, so that vector will be called as position vector. So hope you guys enjoyed our lecture. We'll see you in the very next video.